here it is in all its glory. I am really not looking forward to this. Like, the Cheetos alone, I've tried Flaming Hot Cheetos. My partner describes them as delicious pain, and that is exactly what they are. So, yeah. Bought the smallest pack of burgers I could find because as much as I love burgers, I could also make myself tired of them really easy, and sometimes at work, that's my only real option for lunch. So, I'm going to try to eat this entire thing on camera, but I cannot make any promises. And I am procrastinating. I'm trying to sell myself. I'm trying to think of stuff to talk about while I eat this, but oh man, like I said, just the Cheetos alone. See, it's not even so much that I don't like spicy stuff, it's spicy stuff doesn't like me. I'm from Buffalo, New York, and a lot of my friends and family have disowned me because I can't eat buffalo wings. Bottoms up, down the hatch, whatever. No. Oh, it's a slow burn, if you'll pardon the expression. Like, the combination of flavors is actually really good, but right as I swallow it, there it is. Oh, man. At least I got the burger not pink in the middle for once. I have sinus issues, so I kind of have to chew with my mouth open most times because my nose doesn't work right. Well, my sinuses will probably be pretty clear by the end of this. Oh, man. Like I said, flavor-wise, I'm actually really digging this, but ugh, it's getting worse. Oh, yeah, there it is. There it is. Oh. This is a Snoopy glass my mom gave me. She's an average garage sailor thrift store, and she got it thinking she would treat herself on her birthday. But she realized she never used it, so she gave it to me because she knows I love Snoopy and Charlie Brown and all of them. Fortunately, I also love milk, so bonus is I have an excuse to drink a big old glass of it. Those are the part that's annoying me the most, is this thing is so messy and unwieldy that my bread's falling apart. I mean, I bet this is riveting stuff. There's a Cheeto. Ugh. Look, if you are watching this and you're into spicy stuff, I highly recommend this, but oh man. Oh, God, I might not be able to finish it on camera because it's falling apart. The burger's bigger than the bread. I'm almost through the burger itself. Oh man. Oh yeah, it's starting to hit my stomach now too. It's like, okay, yeah, my mouth is really uncomfortable. It's like, oh, there it is. Oh boy. Y'all a bunch of sadists. Ooh. You're probably glad you can't smell that. Yeah, the burger just fell out. I mean, I'll eat what I can. I don't think I should leave recording to get a fork. I wonder if my dietitian friend still watches the. Well, she and her husband were subscribed to Blackbird's original channel, and they were still watching all this pony stuff, even though they don't watch My Little Pony. I have no idea if they're giving any attention to TDOW, but if you're watching this, can you tell me if the jalapenos count as a vegetable for me today, please? Oh god, without the burger, it is just awful. It's just pure heat at that point. Oh man. Ugh. Oh jeez. Oh god, it's still there. Speaking of Blackbird, he is the worst winner. Okay? You know, when I cashed in the briefcase, he said, "Ew, I don't want to get a stomachache from the lemon juice." You know, making fun of me the whole time. And I just want to note that when the situation was reversed and he was losing all the time, he would throw freaking temper tantrums. And now he's all, well, if I win WrestleMania, I'm going to order a custom belt just for me. This is why you don't have any friends. You do this to them. And then brag about it. Okay, yeah, I will finish the bread at least on camera, because this is the punishment. This is the worst thing he's ever had me do. I should have saved the briefcase. Oh my god. I hope this is entertaining, because, oh, jeez. This is terrible. This is so awful. I like these burgers, though. Yeah. I'll happily eat the other 3 of those, but, oh, jeez. Incidentally, if anyone... Oh, God, there's my stomach again. If anyone local is watching this, you know, any of my local friends and family... Ugh. You want some of the spicy stuff, like you want the jalapenos, you want the chipotle mayo. We aren't going to eat it. I might not be able to even go anywhere near any of this stuff ever again. You know, like those scenarios where you eat too much of your favorite food and then you vomit and you can never eat it again. Oof. Like, I used to love baked pumpkin seeds, but I was a very stupid child once. Forgot to grab paper towels. Ugh. But yeah, I was a very stupid child once, and I ate almost an entire baking sheet in one night. I haven't been able to touch them since. Oh, oh god, I'm going to start crying. You should have saved this for WrestleMania. This is just terrible. This is just the worst. Oh man. I guess I have plenty to talk about. I'm just going to keep talking about how bad this is. Oh, holy crap. The burger was absorbing some of the heat. I've got this last little bit of bread left. I'm going to finish that before I get another sip of milk. And then I'll do what I did last time. I'll take a picture of the empty plate, but I'm not going to eat this on camera because I don't want to stop recording to get a fork or leave empty air to get a fork. Oh, jeez. This is so bad, guys. So bad. a leopard gecko over here. He's sticking his head out of his habitat, his little hide. Like, well, hey, what's going on? You might be wondering if I'm going to feed him, because this is where I sit when I feed him. Oh, wow. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Okay. Like I said, I'll take a picture of the empty plate, but I feel like I'm going to die. I feel like I'm breathing fire. Oh, and there's my stomach. Oh, God. I am punished. This is the worst. I am gotta use my briefcase more. Please let me win Money in the Bank. Let me be the... If that is the one pay-per-view I win all year, I will survive. But, oh. Holy jeez. Ugh. Oh, man. Okay, I gotta stop recording because this is going to be the rest of the video, just me doing this. Bye.